你好，美女，你单身吗？你相信一见钟情吗？今天教大家怎么用英语来搭讪。Pick up line. This is a phrase you say when you're trying to get the attention of someone you're interested in romantically. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you get notifications every time I have a new video. When you're talking to someone you're interested in, we also call it flirting, to flirt. You can also say to hit on, but it's very, very informal. It's not to hit someone, to hit on. And I'm already married, so please don't hit on me in the comments. Now in most places, it's often the guy chasing the girl, but that's not always the case. So a lot of these pickup lines can work for anyone. Now to do this correctly in English, you need to remember 4 things before you begin. Number 1, eye contact, always. Number 2, big smile. Number 3, shoulders back, good posture. And number 4, put your phone in your pocket. Show them you're interested in them. First, let's go over some very direct pickup lines. Again, confidence is key here. I have to meet you. What? I have to meet you. Number 2, give a compliment. You have very beautiful eyes. You have a great smile. I really like your dress. Wow! Number 3, tell them they look like someone famous. Hey, you look just like Bradley Cooper. I know, thank you. Wow. Hey, I just noticed you, and I would love to get to know you more over a cup of coffee. Here's my number. Wow! Alright, if the direct approach is not for you, let's talk about how to win them over with humor. Now, these next pickup lines I'm going to talk to you about will only work if you do them in a humorous way. They're a little silly and stupid, but both men and women always say they like a sense of humor in their partner. So don't say these pickup lines too seriously. Treat them like a joke and get the other person to laugh. Here we go. Number 1. Hey, I'm not a photographer, but I can picture us together. Number 2. You must be tired. Why is that? Because you've been running through my mind all day. Huh? Number 3. Excuse me, do you believe in love at first sight? Or should I walk by again? Number 4. A little English humor. If I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together. You, I, get it? Yeah, maybe don't use that one. Number 5. Whew. Is it hot in here, or is that just you? Wow! Number 6. Excuse me, there's something wrong with my phone. It doesn't have your number in it. What? And similar, but better than number 6, number 7. Excuse me, do you have a phone number? I think I lost mine. Number 8. Excuse me, did it hurt? Did what hurt? When you fell from heaven. Wow! Number 9. Oh, hello, I'm Mr. Right. Someone said you were looking for me? And number 10. So, how does it feel to be the most beautiful girl here? So, how does it feel to be the most handsome man here? Depending on who you're interested in. Alright, there you go. 10 funny pickup lines. Remember to make it clear that you're just joking. Laughter is a great way to start any conversation. I want to know, what pickup line do you think is best? The direct ones or the funny ones? And leave me a message below. What's your favorite Chinese pickup line? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。